Hi, my name is John. Here we are for Fundamentals of Light and Lasers, Lab 1-1C. Today we're going to look at the spectrum of colored light as it passes through a diffraction grating. We're going to use a diffraction grating today that has 1,000 lines per millimeter, so it may be a little stronger than the diffraction gratings that you are using, and your patterns may look a little different, but you should see similar results. So let's look and see how this lab will proceed. Okay, let's look at the equipment that we're going to use in today's lab. We're going to use some colored filters. I've got yellow and orange and red and blue, and you may have some other colors that you'll be using. We have some stands and clamps that are going to be holding our equipment. The clamps will hold our flashlight. It should be a regular battery operated mag light that can be focused to a beam. Notice that I've also added an index card wrapped around here to collimate the light so that it stays confined and doesn't spread out all over. And we've got our diffraction grating. As I said before, ours is 1,000 lines per millimeter, which may be a little finer grating than yours, and so our results may differ a little bit from yours. Alright, with the lights dimmed down a little bit, you can see that the light is passing through the diffraction grating, and you'll see a white spot down at the bottom as the light goes straight through, and off to one side you'll see the diffraction pattern with the colors going from blue all the way out to red and orange. And as the instructions ask you to do is to identify the different colors as you see them on the screen. So take your pencil and identify the range of, here's blue for example, and I see sort of a turquoise color in this range, and a green, and then a yellow range, and an orange, and perhaps a red, and even a dark red way out here. And again, your pattern may differ because of the difference in the diffraction grating, the number of lines that you have. Alright, that will be part one. Part two asks you to use the different colored filters, and for that you're probably going to have to darken the room even more. And let me just show you briefly what happens with our filters as we put some filters in here. And you'll notice as I put this color filter in that the blues disappear. If I put a red color filter in, if I put an orange filter in, and if I put my blue filter in, so you'll have to pay attention to that on your own. I'm going to let you study those with your own color filters.